Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel UTechIT. You are watching the video series on software testing where I talk about different things for software testing. I'm back with my new video, and in this video I'll talk about manual testing building blocks. So if you want to learn manual testing, then this video will help you out and you will get to know that what are the areas you need to cover if you want to go inside the manual testing process. So let's start the things. Here, the first thing you need to understand that manual testing process. In manual testing process, you will have different activities. The very first activity is understanding the requirement. So as a tester, you need to understand the requirement carefully and in depth. If you will do this thing, then chances are more that you will do the good testing. After understanding the requirements, the next thing is you need to prepare the doc RTM. Prepare RTM doc. RTM stands for Requirement Traceability Matrix. So this document you create to map the requirements with the test. After preparing this RTM doc, you need to prepare test scenarios. Test scenario document will contain that what to test. So if you want to mention that what you need to test, you will mention in the test scenario document. Then you will have the next thing, prepare test cases. So test case will talk about how to test. Test scenario, as I said, it will talk about what to test, whereas test case will talk about how to test. This is high level term and this is low level term. This is less detailed and this is more detailed. So if you want to work on manual testing, you should be good in these two areas, preparing test scenarios and preparing test cases. After preparing the test cases, then you need to prepare the test data. Whatever data you will use while doing testing, that will come under test data. So you need to prepare the test data. Then you need to set up the test environment. So before starting the testing, you need to make sure that whatever things are required before starting the testing, you should have all the things. So you need to make sure here test environment should be up and running so that when you will start the testing, then you will not face any problem regarding the test environment. And after setting up the test environment, you need to execute the test cases. So whatever test cases you have created in this section, you need to execute them. And this is called the test case execution. In this test case execution, you will find the defects. So the next thing is defect finding. And after that, you need to report the defects to the developer. Defect means problem. So your main role as a tester would be to identify the problems in the software. So whatever problems you will find, you need to report it to the developer. And once you are done with your testing, then you need to prepare the test report. In test report, you will mention that how many test scenarios you have created, how many test cases you have prepared, and out of all the test cases, how many you have executed, non-executed, passed, failed, and you can also have the number of defects. How many defects you have identified, you have found in the application. So this is a very important thing which you need to understand the different processes, different activities. And if you can work in this order, and if you think that you are good in this process, so definitely your future is secured in manual testing. So guys, this is all about the things which I want to discuss in this video. I'll be back another video, and there I will talk about some other information on software testing. So see you into my next video. Till then, thank you.